हाँ लिख लीजिए, व्हाट आर द प्रिकॉशंस ऑफ वैल्यू एडेड मेथड। ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट आर द प्रिकॉशंस नेसेसरी while estimating national income through value added method. So you write down following precautions are necessary while estimating national income through value added method. कौन कौन सी कॉशंस हमें लेने, कौन कौन से प्रिकॉशंस हमें लेने, कौन कौन सी चीजों का हमें ख्याल रखना है while estimating national income through value added method, or when we use value added method in the estimation of national income. What are the precautions, what are the cautions, what are the things which we must take into consideration? What are the factors or things which we must take into account while estimating national income through value added method? Number first, you write down the value of intermediate goods. The value of intermediate goods should not be included in national income. Should not be included in national income. First precaution is to intermediate goods, the value of raw material, the value of non-factor goods, non-factor goods, their value should not be included in national income, which may cause double counting. Because when we include the value of one good which is used as intermediate good, then we include the value of final good also. The value of intermediate good is already included in the final good. So it may cause double counting. So we must avoid the value of intermediate goods in national income. Number second is the income from sale and purchase of second-hand goods. The income from sale and purchase of second-hand goods should not be included in national income. Should not be included in national income. दूसरी प्रिकॉशन क्या है? दूसरा ये तरीका है कि जो सेकंड हैंड गुड्स ड्यूरिंग द ईयर सेल एंड परचेस हो जाएगी, जो इससे आमदनी हासिल हो जाएगी, दैट शुड नॉट बी इंक्लूडेड इन नेशनल इनकम. फॉर एग्जांपल, इन 2019 a car has been produced and sold in the market for example 3 lakh rupees. So this 3 lakh rupees has been included in the GDP of 2019. इस कार का जो वैल्यू था वो 3 लाख रुपया है, जो हमने इंक्लूड किया है इन द नेशनल इनकम ऑफ 2019. Now the same car has been used for 2019, 2020, and in 2021, the owner of this car sell this car for 2 lakh rupees. So person B, the income earned by A from the sale of the second-hand car, these 3 lakh rupees should not be included in GDP of 2021. It should not be included, because the value of this car has already been included in the GDP of 2019. It may also cause double counting. So this is how value of second-hand goods cannot be included in national income. This is the next very important thing which we must keep in mind while estimating or while counting national income of a country. Number third is the commission earned, जो इसे कमीशन हासिल होता है to the agents of second-hand goods. The commission earned by the agents of second-hand goods, that should be included. The commission earned by the agents of second-hand goods second hand goods should be included. Should be included. ये दो चीजें हैं अलग अलग इन नेशनल इनकम। ये क्या मसला है? अगर एक आदमी ने 2019 में if a person has purchased a car for rupees 3 lakh in 2019 and this is person A has purchased a car. This 3 lakh rupees has been included in the GDP of 2019. It has been included in GDP of 2019. Now A sells to B for rupees 3 lakh. A ने B को ये बेच दिया है 3 लाख में. Now B sells to C. B is broker or this agent. ये second hand goods खरीदता हो और बेचता है. B has purchased this car for 3 lakh rupees. Sorry, A has purchased it for 3 lakh rupees. A sold it to B for 2 lakh rupees. In 2021, 2021 में A ने B को सेल की है कार फॉर 2 लाख रुपीस. नाउ B sells it to C for 2.10 lakh. So B earned 10,000 rupees. 10,000. This 10,000 rupees is the commission of B. It is the commission of B. B act as agent of second-hand goods. He earned 10,000 rupees. This 10,000 rupees should be included in national income of 2021. 2021. So, जो second hand goods के जो agents हैं, जो वो commission earn करेंगे, that should be included in national income. So, you write down the commission earned by the agents of second hand goods should be included. That should not be left. That should be included in national income. That should be included in national income. Yes. इसी तरह the income earned from sale and purchase of shares. The income earned from sale and purchase of shares should not be included. Should not be included. ये इंक्लूड नहीं करना है जो शेयर मार्केट में लोग कमाते हैं. Included in national income. But brokerage earned by brokers. But brokerage earned by brokers. Earned by brokers of shares should be included. जिस तरह वहां कमीशन जो उसने सेकंड हैंड गुड वाले ने कमाया वो इंक्लूड करना है, इसी तरह यहाँ ब्रोकरेज जो शेयर्स एक से लेते हैं दूसरे को बेचते हैं, जो वो ब्रोकरेज वहां कमीशन लेते हैं वो इंक्लूड करना है. शुड बी इंक्लूडेड. दैट शुड बी इंक्लूडेड. इसी तरह वैल्यू ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट गुड्स हो गया, ब्रोकरेज भी हो गया. Self-used services. The value of self-used services should be included in the national income. या ये हम कहेंगे imputed value of self-consumed goods. Imputed value of self-consumed goods should be included. जो हम घर में कमाते हैं और घर में ही खाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने we produce vegetables, fruits in our own kitchen garden and that is consumed selfly. That is included value of those goods, that vegetables, fruits, that self-produced goods and self-consumed goods, self-produced and self-consumed goods. The value of those goods also should be included. Should be included in GDP. इसी तरह value imputed rent of self-occupied building. Imputed, अगर मैंने अपना मकान बनाया और खुद में इस्तेमाल करता हूं, it is rent should be included. Imputed rent of self-occupied building. Occupied building should be included. Should be included in national income. So ये कुछ 5-6 चीजें हैं जो हमें यहाँ प्रिकॉशन रखने हैं, जिनकी हमें प्रिकॉशन, तो वैल्यू ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट गुड्स भी हो गया, इम्प्यूटेड वैल्यू ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ सेल्फ कंजप्शन ये भी हो गया, इम्प्यूटेड रेंट भी हो गया, सर्विसेज फॉर सेल्फ कंजप्शन is not considered while estimating value added simply because it is difficult to estimate their market value, like for example service of housewives. कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं जिनको हम मार्केट नहीं करते हैं और मार्केट वैल्यू उसका अवेलेबल नहीं है. फॉर एग्जांपल वैल्यू ऑफ सेल्फ यूज्ड सर्विसेज, the services for self consumption is not considered, is not included. ऐसे है. मैं 7th लिखूंगा यहां पे. The value for self consumption है, ये हो गया. ये कौन सा था? Services of yes, services for self consumption. Services for self consumption. Services for self consumption. जिसमें घर में हम खुद काम करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सर्विसेज ऑफ हाउस वाइव्स है, घर में अपनी बहन अपनी माँ काम करती है, उसका वैल्यू सर्विसेज ऑफ for house this self consumption, services for self consumption is not included in GDP. For example services of housewives, services of housewives, ये हम इनको, because it is not marketable or we cannot give value to these services, हम इसको वैल्यू नहीं दे सकते हैं on the basis of market price. Also, value added in government sector is equal to compensation of employees only. It is because the data regarding rent and interest are not available for this sector, and profit just does not exist because all that is produced is meant for collective consumption, not for sale in the market. इसी तरह value added in the government sector, जो government services देता है, we cannot count that. The value added in the government sector, so it is because data regarding to interest disease not exist because that is not produced, is meant for collective consumption, not for sale in the market. Here the government refers to government as a welfare agency, government as an owner of public sector, that is included in producing sector. So general government जितने भी services देता है, that is not included because of the fact, अगर एक फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक हॉस्पिटल चल रहा है गवर्नमेंट अंडर, वो किसी की जान बचाता है, we cannot value the life of a person which is saved by the government hospital, तो वो हम मार्केट वैल्यू उसको नहीं हम दे सकते. That is why we do not include the services provided by the government, that is not included in the, so value added by the government sector is not included. Only we mean the value added by government is not included, as here we mean only the services provided by general government, not public sector undertakings of government, not public sector enterprises of the government. बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट जो भी काम करता है, गवर्नमेंट डू एनी वर्क or general government perform any work not for the profit, not for the sake of profit. The government provides water facility to the people. They do not aim to earn profit from that. So only those services are here included which aims to earn profits, which aims to earn profits. So ये imputed value of production for self is taken into account. ये हमने लिख लिया. Imputed rent on the owner of self is also taken into account. ये भी हमने लिख लिया. So these are some precautions which are necessary for estimating national income under value added method. Under value added method. Okay.
Yes, sir.
इतना मुझे काफी लग रहा है, या और एक लिखो. एक क्वेश्चन हमारे पास अभी भी है. ये हो गया क्लियर? व्हाट आर द प्रिकॉशंस? कौन कौन सी चीजें इंक्लूड करने हैं, कौन कौन सी चीजें एक्सक्लूड करनी है. The services for self consumption,
Yes,
self consumer services, they are not included because we cannot give market value to the self consumer services, self consumption services, because for example services of a housewife. For example, मैं आपको ऐसी मिसाल दे दूंगा. एक हाउसवाइफ अपने बच्चे को पालता है. हम कैसे ये एस्टिमेट करेंगे कि इसने कितना कमाया? बच्चे की जान बचाई, बच्चे को पाला पोसा. तो we cannot estimate the value added by the housewife in catering his her child. हम बच्चे की जान की कीमत या उसके पालने पोसने की कीमत हम नहीं लगा सकते हैं. That is not market.
yes, sir.
Yes, that is why we exclude it from national income. अब कुछ difficulties हैं in the value added method. It is difficult to distinguish between intermediate goods and final goods. It's the use of goods which tells us whether good is intermediate or final. It is difficult to estimate the value added by some public utility services. ये भी हम ये छोटा मोटा क्वेश्चन है. ये हो गया. What are the difficulties?
Yes, sir.
आप लिख लीजिए. What are the difficulties faced in the value added method? What are the problems or difficulties? What are the problems or difficulties faced in the value added method? In the value added method. First difficulty लिख लीजिए आप. It is difficult to differentiate between intermediate good and final.
Final.
It is difficult to distinguish between intermediate good and final good. पहली first difficulty. Second है, it is difficult to estimate नहीं, इसी के साथ और एक चीज लिख लीजिए. It is the views of goods. It is the use of goods. It is the use of goods.
Goods.
Which tells us, जो हमें ये कहता है, which tells us whether the good is intermediate or final.
Final.
Yes, whether the good is intermediate और फाइनल. जब किसी चीज को हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे तब हमें पता चलता है कि ये चीज इंटरमीडिएट है, इंटरमीडिएट गुड इस्तेमाल हुआ या फाइनल गुड इस्तेमाल हुआ. सेकंड है, इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू एस्टिमेट, जो मैं अभी आपको बताता था, एस्टिमेट द वैल्यू एडेड बाय सम पब्लिक यूटिलिटी सर्विसेज. एस्टिमेट द वैल्यू added by some public utility services. Public utility services. provided by government, provided by government. अभी मैं कहता था ना
Government.
आपको कि कुछ चीजें ऐसी गवर्नमेंट, मतलब जितनी भी गवर्नमेंट पब्लिक सर्विस करता है, पब्लिक सर्विस गुड्स प्रोवाइड करता है, सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करता है, we cannot estimate their value. So it is difficult to estimate
Yes,
the
sir.
value added by some public utility services provided by the government. Yes, like electricity. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, हम क्या कीमत लगाएंगे, कितना फायदा मुझे पहुंचा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से जो गवर्नमेंट ने मुझे दे दिया. यस, इसी तरह मैं क्या एस्टिमेट लगा सकता हूं, द वैल्यू एडेड बाय वाटर सप्लाई.
Water. Yes,
यस,
sir.
जो गवर्नमेंट ड्रिंकिंग वाटर प्रोवाइड करता है, आई कैन नॉट एस्टिमेट द वैल्यू एडेड बाय ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. इसी तरह एजुकेशन, एजुकेशन
Yes, sir.
को मैं क्या वैल्यू दे दूंगा. हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज, health facilities, etc., which cannot be estimated in money terms.
Value.
So these services, the value of these services, the value of these services cannot be estimated in money terms. रुपयों में मैं ये नहीं तोल सकता हूं. Money terms. Third, it is difficult to estimate the value added by self-employed persons. Some persons are self-employed, like doctors, lawyers, advocates, who work in so many jobs at the same time. तो कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड होते हैं, which are not working in the government sector or any private industry in the organized sector. वो किसी भी जगह काम करते हैं. For example, you cannot estimate the income earned by a lawyer, an advocate, जो उधर काम करता है कोर्ट में, उसने कितना कमाया. We are not able to estimate their income. So it is difficult to estimate the value added or income earned, income value added by self-employed persons. जो अपना काम खुद करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लायर्स, डॉक्टर्स जो अपने क्लिनिक्स पे काम करते हैं, इंजीनियर्स जो खुद मतलब किसी की नौकरी नहीं करते हैं, इंजीनियर्स, एटसेट्रा. सो वी कैन नॉट एस्टिमेट देयर इनकम. हाँ, इसी तरह फोर्थ डिफिकल्टी है, इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू एस्टिमेट द रेंटल वैल्यू ऑफ सेल्फ ऑक्यूपाइड बिल्डिंग एंड वैल्यू ऑफ सेल्फ कंज्यूम्ड गुड्स. मुझे अपना मकान है, मैं इसमें रहता हूं, रूल मुझे कहता है, वैल्यू एडेड मुझे कहता है कि आप इसका रेंट एस्टिमेट कीजिए. अगर आपने रेंट पे लिया होता, आप कितना रेंट इसको पे करोगे, तो ये मुश्किल है मेरे. इसी तरह वी गेट गुड्स which we selfly produce and selfly consume, जो हम खुद कमाते हैं और खुद खाते हैं, मार्केट में नहीं वो लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव ए किचन गार्डन, आई हैव ए गार्डन, आई गेट vegetables and fruits from it and consume it selfly. So it is very difficult to estimate this value. So it is very difficult to estimate the rent of self-occupied building. And value of self-consumed goods. self consumed goods. Self produced and self consumed goods. So it is very difficult to estimate the rent of self occupied building or imputed rent of self occupied building and value of self produced and self consumed goods. So these are the difficulties which we face in the value added method. Precautions हमने लिख लिए 7-8 और ये है difficulties. Tomorrow inshallah we will discuss the next method of estimating net income, that is income method. कल हम वो पढ़ेंगे. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. और कोई प्रॉब्लम?
No, sir.
चलो आज मैंने 2 क्लास आपको दे दी है ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. इनकम मेथड को घर में नजर देना, किताब देखना. यू लुक अप ऑन
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट, प्रिपेयर इट, या गूगल पे
Income
देखना व्हाट इज इनकम मेथड, तो वहां आपको बहुत मिलेगा, फिर यहाँ मदद हो जाएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.